Yes, yes, now I can too. Hi Arohi, how are you?
I'm good. What about you?
I'm also good, thank you. Alright, so how are your sessions?
I got a new phone yesterday,
Oh wow, congratulations.
but uh, my old earphone, it doesn't
Yeah,
connect properly with the new phone. So
okay.
volume, that's why your volume is little bit low. I'm not able to hear you clearly.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Which
that's the
which phone is
problem.
it?
That's why I've become more conscious.
Yes, so that you can hear me properly. Which phone have you bought? Which is this phone, the new one?
Samsung M51.
Oh, okay. So
M51.
your phones they don't connect with this one properly. That is why you're having trouble.
Yeah.
So
I
is
think
it
it
like
is because of earphone. It doesn't connect properly.
okay, maybe is that a C type one?
What?
C type is the connection of
Yeah, it
C
is a
type?
C type.
C
Yeah.
type, right? C type they cause a lot of problem. I know.
Yeah.
I have handled one C type phone, yes. Then I switched back to the pin one. That is more comfortable. I would say the normal one. Earlier, I don't know if you've heard of this company, Lur TV. Have you heard of Lur TV?
No, I haven't. Actually, your voice, the problem is the volume is
Yeah,
very low.
not able to hear
So
me.
I'm not able to hear clearly.
It's okay. The company, I don't think it is known to many people. The name is Lur TV.
Okay.
Okay, so it was like a new company back in 2016, I guess, and I bought that phone, and it was a C type one. Although the phone was really good, it had a lot of features, but it was just a new phone, and not many people knew about it. So it was a C type thing. So the normal earphones they couldn't be connected to that phone, so I lost the jack. The jack that came with that phone, I lost that jack, so I had to separately go and buy a jack so that I can connect earphones. So this is the problem that occurs with C type.
I
I
think
don't like C
that's you are giving the right reason. I think that's the reason it is not connecting properly. It doesn't connect properly.
type.
Okay,
You have
so
connected your earphones through jack.
my last phone is also of C type. It also it has the same problem. It has the
Yeah.
same problem. इसलिए fuck.
इसलिए
Oh God.
oh,
I'm
oh,
sorry.
this is good. Good.
I'm so sorry.
It's fine. It's fine.
Actually,
It's fine.
I'm
It's fine.
consciously making effort so that I won't able to speak any Hindi word, by but by mistake I did speak.
No problem. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah. Go on, please.
So mostly I connect.
I was asking you how many phones have you had till now? Not from the time you started using a phone till now, how many phones have you had?
I think this is fourth or third one, not that much.
Third or fourth? Okay, all
Yeah.
right. I guess, this is my seventh phone. The phone
Oh
that I'm
my God.
using.
Seventh
that
one.
I started using my phone in class 8. Okay, in class
Oh,
8. And there was this Champ. Have you heard of Samsung
yeah.
Champ? That was
Yeah.
my first
Okay,
phone.
that phone I didn't include it in the list. I
Okay, okay,
because
okay.
in I think in starting of the college, first few years I use small one phone, the
Yeah. Uh-huh.
keypad one.
Okay.
Yeah.
Till college
Uh,
you were using a keypad one.
yeah, I'm not that technology and all. I don't use that camera that much.
Yeah.
It's
Okay.
been almost 2 years. I haven't clicked any photo with my phone. Yeah.
2 years? You
Yeah,
haven't clicked any photo?
1 year is after pandemic. I didn't click that much, and my camera was broken. It so the that's the reason also. But
Oh my god.
yeah, my friends,
Okay.
I have 4 or 5 photos in on my Instagram. I have only 4 or 5 photos on Instagram.
Yeah.
I'm that kind of
Okay.
person who hardly post
Yeah,
anything
alright.
on Instagram. FB.
Mhm.
I didn't have any WhatsApp profile picture all. Then I
Oh
thought I
my
should
god.
purchase a good phone that
So
so
now
that
you have a reason to click photos. Now will you click
I'm able
photos?
to click any new pics.
But that is like, I am shocked listening to this that for 2 years you haven't clicked a single photo. Oh my god.
Single photo
Is it like
in means matlab, uh, how do I mean not
photo as of
with my
yours,
phone.
selfie type?
Not
Okay, you're
with
not
my
clicked
phone,
once
with
in
my
your phone.
friend's phone I have taken, not with my phone, I'm saying.
Okay. Your phone because it didn't have a good camera, or you don't like to click photos from your own phone?
There was a time I liked to click photo, but after few years, it's been few years I haven't clicked that much. So yeah, that's the reason.
You know what I eat? Whatever I eat, I click a photo of that as well. That's how much my gallery is filled up. Whatever I'm having, even if it's a regular day coffee, that also I have to click a photo.
Yeah,
That is
it's
the
a
thing.
I also like the people who are socially active or who post so many pictures because I like them the way they post. Matlab, I think it's a creativity side. Matlab, you can show your creativity on that side. So
Yes.
yeah, that's
I like to click photos and then I will design it with either stickers or different emojis. That is the sort of thing I keep on doing when I'm free. But other than that, I click everything. I click photos of I think everything, every food item, every beverage, everything that I'm having. This is the thing. And you won't believe, Arohi, my phone is 96% filled. I just have
wow.
4% memory. Just 4% memory is left with me. 96% it is filled. I don't know what I'm going to do. How am I supposed to?
In my old phone also, I mostly delete my pictures. I hardly I click even if click four photos out of three I delete, only one I kept. that's that's my nature.
Oh my god. That is the thing, no, it's okay. It's like one outfit. I'm wearing one outfit and I think it is super amazing. So I will click like 50, 60 photos and then I have to select. Out of those 50, 60 photos, I have to select one or two that
Yeah,
I can
same
post.
here. Yeah,
This is
same
what
here.
happens. And then those 50, 60 photos, if I think, okay, no, these are also looking good, so I won't delete them.
Yeah,
Because they
yeah,
are there
that
on my
happens with
gallery.
me also. That happens with me also.
Oh my god, how are we supposed to manage these things? It is like so
Yeah,
difficult. So your new phone's camera is good. You
good.
have tried clicking. Is it? I'm
Yeah,
asking
it
you.
is a good. Oh,
Is
you
it
are
good?
asking me. I thought you
Yeah,
were
your front
saying
camera is
me.
good. No, I'm telling you also, your front camera is good. I can
Yeah,
see it. Okay. My
yeah.
father is not going to allow me to buy a phone which is more than 15,000. No,
15,000.
actually, he's like, no, I left one phone in an auto. I actually left one phone in an auto. So he's
Okay.
like, Beta, you are a big disappointment. I cannot give you a phone.
This is my
I
first
left.
phone of mid-range. Usually, I also buy 15,000 phone only. This is my
Okay.
first phone. I thought I I might not purchase in future the good phone.
Hmm.
So I thought that time I should buy at least. I should invest some
On
good
this
amount.
one. So you have put in like 25,000 rupees. Did you do a lot of research before buying this one?
Yeah, I did. It's
You
been
did?
it's been 14 days. I'm researching what should I buy.
Okay.
Some phone has good camera, but processor is not good. If some phone has processor is good, then other features is not good.
Features.
Yeah,
Okay.
so that happens. I think it happens with every phone that
Yes,
you won't
absolutely.
get everything in that particular phone.
One phone. Right, right.
Yeah.
Hmm. So which was, you were looking in Samsung category only, or you have like open options, whichever company is
I
good?
have opened any option. I thought under 25,000. What are my options? I have. searched every phone that is
Okay.
available under
Okay.
25,000.
So this one actually won, the Samsung one.
And this is the first phone I have searched. I have thought, I have seen good reviews about, I have heard about good reviews about that.
Okay.
I am making so much. I'm, today today I'm not able to speak. I don't know what happened.
Why? What is happening today?
I don't
We
know.
have had one other session too. So that was okay, right? I'm not a new speaker for you.
No, not because of that. Because of the phone also, I'm not able to hear you clearly.
Okay,
So
yeah,
that's the reason, I think.
that's okay. You have just got it yesterday, right?
Yeah,
That's what you said. Yeah, so it
yesterday.
is going to take like a couple of days for you to get like completely accommodated with the phone.
Yeah,
It happens. The biggest problem is when you get a new phone and then you have to transfer the items that are there in your old phone to your new phone. They're like
yeah.
extremely important. My
I don't
WhatsApp
transfer.
chat,
I don't transfer. I had
you know?
10 or 15 contacts that I saved. That's it. Apart from that,
Okay.
I didn't do any pictures and save anything.
Oh my god, what did you do with your old phone? Is it still with you?
Yeah, it is with me. It is working.
Is it
It
with
has
you?
only problem of battery. Not battery. I think it has charger problem. It
Okay.
is working
My,
and the calling problem also.
you're not able to hear the sound.
Yeah, it having a problem, I think, with the network.
Okay, all right.
Yeah, it's been,
You won't
you
believe the
will be
last
shocked
one.
if I say something. you you will
Yeah,
be shocked
go on.
because it's been year I haven't talked on my phone. It's been year. Since March. I am since March, since I shifted, I've told you in the last session that I
Yes,
shifted
yes,
to
yeah.
Lucknow. Before
Yes,
that I
yes,
was
I
living,
remember.
yeah. So I was not using for the calling purpose. I was only using for the messaging and all purpose, yeah.
Oh my god, you haven't talked to anybody on the phone for the past 1 year?
No, I did talk with my mother's phone.
Okay, okay. You talked from your mother's phone, but not with this one.
Or WhatsApp call. I
WhatsApp call,
use
right?
WhatsApp call. I know it is very
But
strange.
it's cool.
I know it is very
No,
strange.
no. Please, it's fine. It's fine. It happens, you know. Are you like, you don't like to talk to people, is it so?
No, I do, but very few people I do talk
Very
with
few people.
them.
Because I have a friend, you know, I have a friend and she's like, yeah, whatever you want to talk to me about, talk to me on this chat. Please don't call me. This way.
I'm
She's like, I don't want to talk to
I'm
you in person.
opposite. I call a lot. I don't text.
You don't.
I don't like texting. It take too
Okay.
much time.
For the other person to respond. So it is like straight away you call that person and whatever you want to talk
Yeah,
about,
you.
you just
If
do
I
that.
want to talk with any person, I would straight away call that person. I won't text and I won't text. I hate texting. I'm that kind of person. What about
I am
you?
I am in mid, you know. I enjoy texting also, and whenever somebody calls me, that is also fine with me. But the problem with me is I can tolerate a person for up to like 30 minutes, and if the call
Hmm.
extends 30 minutes, then I'll be like, oh, ho, enough now, please go now. So this is what happens with me. I feel bad,
Oh,
but it's like,
I
oh no,
can talk 1 hour. I have to talk in 1 hour with my friends.
mm-hmm.
I can
with,
talk
with
a lot. I'm very talkative person, but not with everyone. Not with everyone. There are only
if
few
a
friends.
desired person, I will also talk like for hours. That's okay. But you know, a few people are there who I have work. Like I want to ask something from that person, and then I call that person. Then I have to like make small
Yeah,
talks before actually getting on the point. Then it
yeah.
keeps on extending for 1 hour, 1.5 hours. I'm like, why did I call this person? You know, I could have just asked them on the text. This is the problem with me. It's like I am the person who calls the other one first, and then I am the one who wants to end the call first. This is the one that happens with me. I don't know what is the solution to this. So whenever I'm calling a person, in my mind, it's like I'm thinking, please don't pick up, don't pick up, don't pick up. If he picks up, then I'll have to
Oh my
actually
God.
talk to that person. So I have this weird habits. I don't know why.
No, it's
Anyway.
weird. It is not weird. It's good habit, I think. Yeah, it is good.
It's good. You
Many of
think
my
it's good?
friends are like that. They don't talk
Okay.
that much. They can only talk 30 minutes like you. And
Okay,
I'm a
but you
person, if
can go
it
on.
depends on the person whom I'm
Person,
talking. Yeah, if
right?
I have
Mm-hmm.
bonding and I can talk hours. I can talk hours. Yeah.
Okay, what is the longest duration of your call till now?
No, I don't know. It's 1.5. Yeah. um,
1.5.
yeah.
Mine has gone till 5 hours.
5 hours. 5 hours is
5 hours.
way too much.
Literally 5 hours. I'm being honest with you. 5 hours a call has extended. But the person was worth it. So it's like, okay, I've spent 5 hours on him, so that's okay. That's actually fine. But mine is 5 hours, highest.
Yeah.
And then the shortest, no, what is your shortest call duration? Is it in seconds, 10 seconds, 20 seconds?
No. If
No,
the person didn't pick up, that can happen.
no, the person has picked up.
Usually 10 minutes, 10 or 5
10.
minutes. Yeah.
Mine has gone for 10 seconds.
Yeah. Actually, it can also happen 10 minutes also.
Yeah.
When a person just pick up and say, yeah, okay, I can talk to you
Yes,
later
yes,
or
yes.
something like
True.
that. So it can
My
happen.
ours is movie.
Yeah. You are a
Movie
movie
I'm not
buff, so
watching.
I can talk movie. I'm also a
So,
movie buff, so it's
hmm
so that's the
I have
reason.
watched the latest movie that I watched is, I don't know if you've heard of this, To All the Boys I've Loved, Always and Forever. Have you heard
All
about
the
this movie?
boys. Okay, I haven't seen that.
It has three parts. To All the Boys I've Loved Before, To All the Boys I've
Yeah,
Loved
yeah, 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 yeah.
Till.
I
Yeah, there are
have
three parts.
three
Yes,
part.
I've watched
Third part
the.
has come
It's just
recently.
now. Yes, 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 yes.
Yeah,
Last month. Yes,
yeah. I
last
haven't
month it has
seen
come
that,
out.
but I have heard about that.
You watched the previous two.
No, I haven't seen that.
You should watch that
I
movie. It
have
is really
seen the
good.
trailer. Didn't see
You
the
should watch
movie.
it. It's really good. It's a cute movie, I would say. It's based on love stories. The entire
Yeah.
three parts are based on love stories. So I don't know if you like love story genres or not, but
Yeah, I've
it
seen.
is good.
There was a time I like romantic movies. Not now, but there was a
Not
time.
now.
Not now. There was a time
Okay.
I realized
Okay.
that it was all fake.
Oh my god. Okay, so now you hate
So,
love stories?
no, I don't hate it, but I don't like that much. There was a time I do like that.
Let's say that time is going on for me. Okay, soon I will also realize that this is all scratch.
Okay, so
Stop watching
what
love
romantic
stories.
movies have you seen till now?
There is To All the Boys I've Loved,
Yeah.
three parts. The Kissing Booth is there. Have you watched The Kissing
Have you
Booth?
seen The Notebook?
Yes, I have. I
It
have.
Yeah, it is a famous movie. So
I think it has made me cry every time I've watched it. It's a really touching movie, I would say.
and the Me Before You,
Yes,
Me
I've heard about it, but I haven't watched it. Me Before You.
It's a good movie. I like that movie. In romantic, I like that movie. That kind of movie.
All right. There's this channel, Romedy Now. Have you heard of this channel, Romedy
Yeah,
Now?
I have.
All romantic movies used to come on that channel, and it was like a good genre, comedy plus romance. I think the best category movies are
Do
comedy.
you like comedy movies?
Yes, I die for comic scenes and comic serials. Friends, that is actually a
Yeah,
humorous kind of a thing.
that
So
kind
I
of
would
comedy
say
is good. That kind of
yes. I will always go for comedy. There is this movie, We
yeah.
Are the Millers. Have you watched We Are the Millers?
No, I haven't seen that.
It has epic comedy in it. This
Yeah.
and The
So
Hangover.
you don't like serious kind of stuff when
No,
it comes to
I
movies.
don't. Horror, I stay away from horror movies because then I'm not able to sleep at night. So I stay
Very
away from
few people
horror.
like horror movies. I know that.
I don't horror. It creeps me out. No, I cannot watch horror. I
I
went
like horror
for
movies.
watching.
The reason of me liking horror movies is only that you get that excitement. Oh, that
I don't
happened.
want
Oh,
that
that happened.
excitement. I don't want that excitement. I don't like those spontaneous, like jerky sort of scenes. Like
Yeah,
everything is going straight, and suddenly there's a
straight
ghost.
set.
I don't like these things that make me
So
jump.
you
I'm
don't
like,
like not even thriller movies? Thriller movies?
thriller, action. I have watched Fast and Furious, all time
Yeah,
favorite. The
yeah,
entire
I've seen
series is
that.
like amazing. And
Avengers? Have you seen
no,
Avengers?
no. I went for Avengers Endgame. Sorry, Infinity War, the last one.
The
I
last
haven't
one,
watched the first
first one.
20 movies. I
Yeah,
went for the last one. That is like
I haven't seen
stupid.
the last one, but before all the other series, I have seen that. All
I
other
heard there
parts.
are 22 movies in Avengers.
Yeah, I didn't count that, but I think.
You have watched all 20, 21. You have
No,
not watched the last part, but 21 movies
no,
you saw.
not 20. Yeah, 5, 6 I've seen.
Five, six. Okay. That's okay.
Yeah,
But my brother is like a huge fan of Avengers, and he
yeah.
has watched all. He's watched all